Every couple of months, a pilot has to do a so-called CBT course, which stands for computer-based training, to kind of sort of brush up on the technical knowledge or system knowledge of the aircraft that he's flying. So I'm currently doing the one for the 747-8. I'm in the electrical systems right now. And just listen to the incredible weird sound Boeing chose for an engine startup.
We'll start number 3 engine.
That sounds more like a broken lawnmower than it's the engine startup of a Gen X 2B. Seriously, Boeing, brush up on your audio sequences here. It's absolutely hilarious.